So I'm playing a strange arpeggio. You can hear it a little there. It just goes up in frequency and then back down in frequency. Now, I'm using that as a test signal on the Mirage. So the Mirage is, right now, it's in sampling mode, but it's not sampling, it's just listening to the signal so that you can adjust the levels. What I'm going to do is listen to the signal on the oscilloscope, verify that, it's really doing what I think it's doing. Oh, and if you want some really great tea, here's my ad. My friend's company, love some tea, buy it on Amazon. So now I'm going to listen to the output of an op amp, pin 8, which sends the sample input through. There it is. Okay, frequency's going up, and then it goes back down. So you can see the pulse width changing, which indicates the frequency is changing. So that's the good signal. Now, it then goes through a switch, which is under control of the computer side of the Mirage, and the signal should just pass through, because in this mode we're listening to the threshold. So we check pin 3 of the switch. Oh, and there is the identical signal. So the signal is passing through. That means the right control signal is getting to a 4016 IC, and it just opens it up. You have an input, and it sends in a control signal, and it opens the output associated with that input and just passes it through. And there it is. So that's beautiful. Now, then the signal goes from there back to the same op amp it started at. This is the U56 op amp on a Mirage. So now that's a quad op amp. That's why I can go back to it. So this is 4 separate op amps in it. So it's using a different op amp now, and here is its output signal. That looks good too. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to figure out why my Mirage won't sample, and I'm seeing the signal being passed all the way through properly. I'm checking the other pin where the input comes in, and there's that same signal. By the way, the Arturia Micro Freak turns out to be a fantastic piece of test gear, as I'm using it to generate both MIDI signals and audio output for sampling. And just by putting it on a arpeggio and putting it on hold, I just get a constant signal. Makes things much easier for troubleshooting, because it's so small. It's easy to move around and just plug in over MIDI to whatever you're testing on.